Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Crimson Bay Villas. This is an estate that is located exactly 500 meters from Thika Road and exactly 400 meters from Ruiru Eastern Bypass. Crimson Bay is within the greater VarsityVille estate and it contains 6 units. Each unit is a 4-bedroom, all-ensuite villa with a plinth area of 275 square meters. Each home is built on a 40 by 80 lot and the price is 19 million. Before we get started, I want to give special thanks to Laxi Homes, the developer of these villas, for giving us the opportunity to showcase their works. Also, I would like to recognize Primco Designs for their architectural works, and their director is here. Hi, Bona Victor. Come say hi to our viewers. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Tell us more about your company.
This is Victor Wandaka, and this is what you have done. I hope you enjoy it, and for such or similar works, kindly feel free to contact us.
I'll leave their details in the description below. Please feel free to talk to them anytime. Thank you, Bona Victor.
Thank you.
Each home comes with a 3-car parking like this one, and next to it you have the employee quarters. The entrance is on the other side. I'll show you that later. At the entrance of each home, you are welcomed by this foyer, and on both sides of it you have the flower gardens. Let's get inside. Wow. This is a very beautiful living room. The living room comes with these 3 windows that gives it a very natural and a posh look. Its beauty is complemented by these 2 side lights, some recessed lights, and a very well-designed center light. On the other side of the living room, you have this wall that has been molded to act as the focal point of this unit. This space is big enough to fit your 65-inch TV, and you have extra sockets down here for your other electronics. On the far end of the living room, you have the dining area. This dining area is big enough to fit a table set of 8 to 12 people. This is a home for a big family, and it comes with these 2 big windows that gives you maximum natural light. On this other side, the dining area comes with this well-designed wash basin and a dome-shaped mirror. The dining area is separated from the kitchen by this dark granite countertop. When you add 2 to 3 chairs down here, this counter table will act as the breakfast table. Let me take you to the kitchen. Nice! I'm excited by the beauty of this modern kitchen. The kitchen comes with dark granite countertops all over, and this section of the countertop opens to the dining area. This kitchen comes with this space that has been set aside for your refrigerator, but if you have a double door, this space can be customized for you. In the meantime, these 2 spaces have been left for your microwave and your oven. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and you have some drawers there and other drawers here for your cutlery and your crockery. Next to me, you have this space that has been set aside for your cooking stove, and the space is big enough to fit a 6-burner stove. This space comes with Ariston hood up here. On this other side, you have extra cabinets for more storage. Next to me, you have the sink area. The sink area is a double sink. It is next to the window, and it comes with a tilting faucet. The pantry of this kitchen utilizes this space that is under the stairs, and the pantry is big enough for all your dry foods. From here, I'll take you to the employee quarters and the laundry area. Come with me. This is the laundry area, and it's big enough to fit your washer and dryer. Next to me, you have the employee bathroom, and next to it, you have the employee quarters. I'm not going to show you that because it's being used as the store. The clotheslines area is here, and it extends to the other side of the home. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of this level. This level contains the living room, the dining area, the kitchen, the guest bedroom, and the common bathroom. I'll show you the common bathroom and the guest bedroom, and then we will head to the upper level. The common bathroom comes with a wash basin and a water closet. It also comes with a very big mirror. Let me take you to the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom comes with its closet here and its bathroom on this other side. This room also comes with a corner window on this other side. I will show you the closet. This closet is a floor to ceiling and I like the handle details. This closet comes with 2 drawers down there, an area here and here for the hangable clothes, and you have a sectioned part here for the shoes. I'll take you to the guest bathroom. At the entrance of this bathroom, you have a wash basin and a water closet. The bathroom also comes with a mirror on this side. The other side of the bathroom acts as the showering area and it comes with a rain shower. That's all for this level. From here, I'll take you to the upstairs. This level has been reserved for the 3 bedrooms, and the first bedroom is on my left hand side. Next to me, you have the primary bedroom, and the second bedroom is on my far right. We will start with the first bedroom. This is a big bedroom, and it can be for your boys or for your girls. The bedroom comes with its closet there and its washroom next to me. On the other side, this room comes with a very big windows, and I like the ventilation details on these window panes. All the closets in this home are floor to ceiling, and this one comes with its shoe rack on this far end. The closet is just similar to the others, and it comes with 2 drawers down here. From here, I'll show you the bathroom. This bathroom takes the full length of this bedroom, and it comes with its water closet on this side, a tissue holder, and a wash basin at the center. The showering area is on this other side, and it comes with a rain shower and all the other showering amenities. Let me take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is just similar to the one that we just saw, but it comes with a corner window. The closet to this bedroom is slightly bigger than the one that we saw in the first bedroom. That means that this room can be used for your bigger kids and the other room for the smaller kids. This closet is big enough, and it comes with its sectioned part at the center, 2 drawers down there, and extra storage up there. Let me show you the bathroom. This bathroom is slightly wider than the one that we just saw, and it comes with all the standard fittings, and the bathroom area is on this side. This bathroom will be made to a shower cubicle, and it comes with a towel holder and a rain shower. Let me take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest of all the bedrooms, and it enjoys the greatest and the most beautiful views of this estate. The primary bedroom comes with the biggest window, a transparent door that leads to the primary balcony, a walk-in closet, and a primary bathroom on the far end. The primary bedroom comes with this molding that is directly opposite to this space where you'll put your king-size bed, and the lighting of this section is crazy. I like the craftsmanship of these gypsum ceilings and the beauty that comes with it. Each of the villas comes with 24-hour surveillance system, and this space has been left for them. Follow me to the walk-in closet. This is a very big closet for you and your partner, but you deserve it because you paid 19 million for this villa. The closet comes with these sections for your hangable clothes, extra storage up here, and several drawers down here. On this other side, you have this sectioned part for your foldable clothes, a dresser that comes with several drawers down there, and this section that is set aside for your shoes. Let me show you the primary bathroom. This is the biggest bathroom that you have seen in the channel. I bet it's even bigger than the room that I used to live in when I was in campus. And it comes with a water closet, a shower cubicle that comes with a handheld and a rain shower, and at the center you have a vanity setup. This other side has been reserved for your bathtub, and it will be installed when you make a choice among the available options. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom balcony. The balcony is here. This balcony is of an average size, and from here you enjoy the best views of Ruiru. That's all for this level. From here I'll take you to the upper level where we have the study or the office and the roof deck. As I take you to the upper level, I want you to enjoy the views that you get from these metal casement windows and the beauty of this center light. Next to me, you have this room that can be used as an office or the study. And then you have a bathroom that can be used when you are doing your barbecue or having your meetings up here. Let me show you the office. This is a fairly big office, and when you choose to use it as a study, you can have your 4 kids studying here comfortably. This room comes with several shelves, a number of cabinets down here, and a counter table where you can place your espresso machine. This room comes with a floor-to-ceiling corner window. From here, I'll take you to the roof deck bathroom. The bathroom is here. This bathroom comes with a tissue holder and an extra tap. Let me take you to the roof deck. This is a very big roof deck, and it has a print area of about 100 square meters. The roof deck comes with a wash basin there and a space for your barbecue. This roof deck can be used for your meetings, your parties, or an area where you enjoy the evening sunshine with your family. And of course, I can't forget to mention the views that you get from this roof. We have come to the end of the tour. I hope you have enjoyed. And by the way, I have noticed that 60% of you who watch these videos are not subscribed. Make sure you subscribe so that we can access good properties like this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.